Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I am sharing with you a brand new Mintay Papers collection called Yes I Do. Now this is a beautiful wedding collection. You can see here the color scheme, it's so beautiful, it's soft, it's muted, it's vintage, it's shabby chic, it's everything that Mintay does so beautifully. There are several elements to the collection. We have the cardboard sticker sheet, the 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper set, the 6 by 6 scrapbooking paper pads, the paper die cuts, and a 12 by 12 chipboard sheet. So I'm going to take you through each one of those elements so you can get a really good feel for this beautiful collection. Let's start with the 12 by 12 cardboard sticker sheet. Alright, so here you can see the color scheme for this paper collection. We have the dusty pink, we have cream or white or an off-white, we have this beige color tone, and we have the green leaves. Let's take a look at the words. We have our wedding, happily ever after, happiness is being together, living our happily ever after. She said yes, he proposed, you are the love of my life, my love for you. So a very romantic collection. We all need a little bit of more romance, I think, in our lives, a little bit more remembering how special it is to be loved and to love. Let's take a look at the 12 by 12 paper set so we can get a good feel for this collection. So this is Yes I Do. So it's definitely a wedding, but it could be used for Valentine's if you wanted to, or anniversary. Could definitely be used for anniversary. So we have the bride's dress, the groom's suit, the wedding cake, the floral clusters, the love heart-shaped designs. We have a frame. We have the doves, the wedding rings, the padlocks, heart-shaped padlocks, gorgeous floral clusters. Let's take a look at page number 1. Page number 1 is very shabby chic. Okay, we've got the beautiful distressed wood background. We have the bride and groom in the floral cluster over here with the beautiful frame. We have a swing and a floral cluster here on this side. This is a beautiful page. On the reverse, we have a lace pink and white design page. Let's go to page number 2. Page number 2 has a beautiful frame in the middle. You could easily pop a photo in there for an easy scrapbook layout. We have our doves in this one. It's got a vintage feel to it. We've got the lace along the top and the bottom. It's a love heart shape here in the wreath. On the reverse, just a lovely distressed wooden background. Let's take a look at page number 3. Page number 3 has the 2 different clusters. We've got the wreaths happening. We've got the bride and groom outfits. We've got the cake and the doves. Beautiful page. On the reverse, we have that lace theme, but this time it's the soft green color. Page number 4 of the collection is a heart-shaped design. It's like got a wooden cross section there of a tree. We've got the doves in that one there. That's beautiful. And on the reverse, we have our wooden theme coming with a white doily lace over the top. So this is very vintage and it's very shabby chic, which is exactly what I love about Mintay papers. This is our floral page. You can see the soft colours. It's got a little bit of a gum leaf feel to these floral clusters. And on the back we have those wooden cross sections again. So there's definitely a nature feel coming through this collection. And here is our 6x6 page with our different 3x4 images. Love, a candle, a wedding cake, a swing, bride and groom outfit. And on the reverse, very shabby chic here. Lots of lovely circular frames and just the usual white wooden frames with the distressed wooden finish and the lace backgrounds. Let's keep going now. So that's the designs. You get 2 of each copy. So this is back to the beginning, so you can see them again. The bride and groom. This is our scene page. And then we've got the pink lace background. This is the love heart shaped page with the frame in the middle and the whitewashed background. Here we have the bride and groom outfit, beautiful soft page, the green background. Another love heart shaped page here, beautifully designed. This has got more of a craft colour to it, a natural colour. This is our floral page, beautiful soft pinks and soft greens. And then we've got that nature page at the back. And then we've got our 6x6 images and, our 3x4 images and our 3x4 frames. So I think we would all agree that this is a stunning collection. Let's see the additional page. Remember, you've got that number 9 page that you can purchase separately if you want another page of fussy cut elements. And on the reverse, it's got the same lace, but it's sort of like a cream, beautiful soft cream background. There is also a 12x12 chipboard sheet, and this is got a very definite love feel to it with lots of love hearts, the word love, doves, angels, beautiful. You can easily add that in as some dimension into your projects. And if you prefer the smaller version, the 6x6 paper pad might suit you better. On the back of the front cover and the back cover, you have some different elements. Okay, so we've got the wine glasses here, little jewelry box, the rings, love heart, and you get that same page on the back of your back cover as well. And then inside, the papers are exactly the same as the 12x12 papers, but they are a smaller version. And you get 4 copies of each of the 12 designs. So plenty of paper there to create your beautiful wedding projects. Now, last of all, I'd like to show you the paper die cuts. Now, the paper die cuts are really perfect for those of us that don't enjoy fussy cutting, because everything is cut out for you and you get a lot. It's a very generous paper die cut package. You can see how you've got that gum leaf. Sort of got a gum leaf feel to it, these flowers. So we've got floral clusters, 2 of those. We have, oh, what's this big one? It's a beautiful floral cluster. There's another one there. So you can see how you get the large one and a smaller one. A large one and a smaller one. It's generally how these die cuts seem to work. large wooden heart, smaller wooden heart. There's another one. We've got the bride and groom's outfit. We've got the champagne glasses, cakes, here's another cake, love heart, there's another floral cluster. We have some words. Let's see what words we have. Wedding, Mr. and Mrs. Oops, that's our wedding. Where's Mrs.? Here she is. Mr. and Mrs., our wedding. We have a padlock with that section is completely cut out. So that's amazing. They're very fine and accurate die cuts. There's a larger padlock. We've got the wedding rings. Lots of love hearts. There's another padlock. Some doves. Some more rings. There's that little jewelry box. There's some more padlocks. We've got these roses or peonies. Turn that over. Some of those. Some beautiful pink. I think they might be peonies. And the jewelry boxes. So look at all of those beautiful die cuts. Very inspiring. I can't wait to see what you create with this beautiful collection. And that is our amazing Mintay Papers Yes I Do collection. I think this is my favorite out of all four, even though it is really hard to choose. There's something about this collection that really speaks to me. I think it's the feminine colors and this shabby chic and just the pretty. It's just so pretty. I'm sure that you will have a lovely time creating with this beautiful collection. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're up to date with all the latest Mintay collections and projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.